Shocking email marketing facts to consider. 74% of active online adults prefer to receive their marketing messages over email rather than through direct mail. This fact rebutes the common misconception among online marketers that most leads find marketing emails annoying. Buyer personas increases email click-through rates by 16%. This means that by targeting your leads through individual personalized profiles, you will be able to increase your chances of getting people to not only check your emails, but also getting them to click through your links. Well-crafted marketing emails increase conversion rates. 66% of online consumers have bought something based on an email marketing message, with 71% of people aged 45 to 54 making purchasing decisions based on email marketing messages. Large mailing lists can distort your results because you'll be sending emails to lots of people that are never going to buy something from you. So, by simply deleting email addresses that haven't engaged with your emails in the past 12 months can improve your delivery rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates by 3% to 5%. Subject lines are way more important than you would imagine. Short subject lines, or those around 9 characters long or less, have gotten open rates up to 58%, while personalized subject lines, such as those that used the recipient's name, were 22% more likely to be opened. Likewise, 64% of recipients will open an email based on the subject line alone. It is becoming increasingly important to create responsive marketing emails, as 35% of business professionals and 64% of decision makers check their emails on mobile. Keeping your content relevant to your email audience is as important as it is on your website or video blog. 49% of email recipients report that they would not hesitate to unsubscribe from a mailing list if they find they're only sent boring or repetitive content, with 25% of those stating that they would unsubscribe when the content is irrelevant to them. Email marketing is way more effective at acquiring new customers for your business than social media efforts. In fact, an email marketing campaign is 40 times more effective at customer acquisition than a Facebook or Twitter campaign, with 72% of people favoring promotional content on email over social media. Also, email subscribers are 3 times more likely to share your content on social media than social media users. People are spending more and more time checking marketing emails now than ever. 57% of email subscribers report spending from 10 to 50 minutes a week browsing promotional emails. Automation is taking over in the email marketing industry. In fact, most email management tools labeled as email marketing tools are simply email automation tools, and they are being used by a whopping 82% of business-to-business and business-to-customer companies, which has helped them to increase their conversion rates by as much as 50%. Also, automated email marketing messages average 70.5% higher open rates and 152% higher click-through rates.